Alright guys, back out here, gonna fly this 3D printed drone again. Had some questions on it. I'm going to show you kind of how flexible it really is. The rates are updated to my rates, so it should fly a lot better. Not feel so squishy to me. So we'll fly it again. DVR footage, just because I don't want to put a GoPro on it if it flies away or crashes hard. Alright, so here's the 3D printed drone. There, it's better for the light. You guys can see that it's actually 3D printed. 100% infill on this. Printed all the regular thicknesses for all the plates, so the arms are 4 millimeters. Use this battery pad here, you can kind of see how much they flex. I'll go low. It looked like it was going darker, but hopefully. I mean, I gotta put some force into it, but it's obviously got more flex than, say, you know, one of the carbon fibers over here. Anyway, let's get her up in the sky, have some fun, and see if we can make her explode without actually hitting anything. That could be fun. All right. Well guys, she feels a lot better with my rates on it. Even some of the wiggles and wobbles aren't quite as bad that I was seeing before. I'm still having a little bit of video issues, so I don't necessarily trust it for some crazy acro, but I'm going to do one more battery, go out on another side of the field that's a little more open, maybe try and do some flips over the light poles and things like that to see what we can do, put a little bit more of a test. Worth another battery. I actually am very impressed with how well this has gone so far. Well, burned up an ESC on my other drone. So why don't we see how this 3D printed frame handles a GoPro? Let's do it. It did not like the GoPro. Those motors are roasting. Woo! Roasting. Had to come back real quick. All I gotta say is I'm actually blown away by how well this drone is flying, being 3D printed. Sure, it's got some wobble and things, so I put a bunch of old components in it. And I know that there's some flex, but I mean, I was punching out, flipping, rolling, and it was doing just fine. You saw in the video. Just blown away. So you want to have some fun with a really cheap frame, TBS Source One, 3D printed. You haven't got the files up on Thingiverse yet, but I'll get them up if anybody's interested for them. Anyway, thanks for watching.